Hey friends, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can you believe we are only 13 weeks away from the general election? Yes, 13 weeks. So now is the time to firm up your voting plan. I believe continuous improvement can be applied in any area where there are people and processes, including the election process. So starting today, and in the coming weeks, I will share how you can use continuous improvement, specifically the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, also known as the PDCA cycle, to develop your voting plan. The PDCA cycle is a 4-step model, and the very first step, or the first phase, is in the plan phase. In business, planning involves detailing and visualizing what needs to be done and answering critical questions associated with the future and current state. Similarly, when developing your voting plan, it's so important that we begin by exploring our future and current state. Deandra, what do you mean by that? Well, in 13 weeks on election day, we don't want to just show up at the poll without a plan. So it's important that we take a step back and we examine the current state by doing something as simple as confirming that you're registered to vote and figuring out when, where, and how you will vote. A great resource, a very good resource to confirm your registration status is vote.gov. I'll repeat that. It's vote.gov. Check it out. Visit that website and make sure your information is current. Make sure your information is up to date so you can vote in the national, state, and local elections. Remember, voting is a serious matter. So please tune in next week as we continue to explore and dive deeper into the planning phase of the PDCA cycle for developing your plan to PDCA the vote. Until then, my friends, please stay engaged, stay informed, and let's commit to making our voices heard and making our votes count.